Health benefits of bird's eye chili. It aids digestion, helps lose weight faster, is anti-cancer, makes the heart work better and keeps it healthy, helps fight stroke, increases appetite, maintains immunity, reduces fungi on skin, helps with headaches, acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, helps get rid of toxins, helps keep blood from clotting, helps in hair growth, stops the rise of blood pressure, gets rid of high fever, heals flu, keeps eyes healthy. So that's why I planted my bird's eye chili, which is high in capsaicin.